Molweni namkelekile nonke kwezitshisa be-entertainment. Guys, siyazi into yoba uthando nesithembu uncut is currently playing and it is trending. Indawo ke etrenda kakhulu would be iparty katata uMsele kuMayeni apho avezayo into yoba why umntana kaVuyokazi specifically umhlophekazi wahambayo eMzumbe, and furthermore why i-calls zakhe zazingaphendulwa ntontoni nje. Ezo videos guys sendizifakile andifuna into yoba le video ibende kakhulu. So uVuyokazi has officially responded via Facebook. Okay guys, this is what she said. This is her side, and abantu kudala besithi no guys, before sikhethe amaside sicela uqale sive iside likaVuyokazi, and this is what she says. She says, to be deleted, just a glimpse of what happened back then. Now 2019 I got pregnant. I started getting phone calls from girlfriends. I got threatening texts. I was accused of witchcraft. I was accused of a miscarriage that occurred around that time. And as by miscarriage abani, but I was accused of a miscarriage that occurred around that time. Fake accounts were created using my name. Ekuthiwa mna ndithuka umama wakhe and her sisters. So I am 100% believing into ba uVuyokazi kule part lena uphendula lanto ke ibitsho ngutata uMseleko esithi umama kaVuyokazi called me ekhala esithi uMayeni being his wife and uMpumelelo i-treatment abayinika uVuyokazi was just uncalled for esahlala ke eMzumbe. Uyachaza uVuyokazi ba fake accounts were created using my name kuthiwa ndithuka umama wakhe and her sisters. His mom called my mom because apparently ndimthuka on social media. Hayibo. His mom called my mom because apparently ndimthuka on social media. I then got dumped. I almost lost my daughter due to the stress of defending myself against all of this. 2020, I gave birth. I opened a case because I was scared. This continued. The real person behind the fake accounts and text was found by his dad. Okay, so khona lo muntu owacreata the fake accounts and everything, and apologies they were made to uVuyokazi. 2021 uthi babuyelana noMpumelelo got back together. Altogether, there's just still so much more, and I'm not explaining myself. I am just annoyed because it literally gets to a point. Okay, guys, it's a lot literally. And le update kaVuyokazi, and my mind is literally all over the place. I don't know which part to dissect, all of this that is happening. But let me just take a few comments from ke abantu that followers kaVuyokazi after befunde lento ayichoyo. As I am trying to go through everything, guys, my heart is literally like, oh my gosh, she literally went through so much and she managed to keep herself together. She managed to keep quiet and never spoke about certain things. So I do have that big lump in my throat after she revealed this. I really do, you guys. That is why I'm just like, I'm all over the place. I don't know what to say. I don't know. Angazi. But one person shared this. Otige, she has to defend herself against the false narrative that will keep following her. Okay, she is a public figure. It only makes sense that she defends her integrity and says her side of the story. Okay, that is uVuyokazi, because some people were saying you don't have to come here and defend yourself. Yada yada yada. She says being silent will not help her. She already survived the bigger part, leaving that toxic setup. And right now, uVuyokazi, my darling, it's time to tell your side of the story and stop letting people narrate your story as if You do not exist. Take back your power, baby girl. We will support you. We'll always support you 100%. Another person came forward and saying, guys, it was definitely wrong of them to give half of the stories and not go in depth. I think this one goes back to the part whereby we said as gay viewers, what do you mean intoba waphatheka kakubi uVuyokazi nguMayeni? I even made an example last time ndisitsho intoba umhlambi wayihlanjiswa izitya umhlambi kwakuthiwa makapheke kude bese ebusuku. There were no examples. We were left hanging. We were left to decide for ourselves uba sizicingele intoba what did umama kaVuyokazi mean by saying that umntana wakhe akaphathekanga kakuhle. Yeah, understand? So that is why people were just like, you guys have left us hanging. So Otege Usisi, it definitely was wrong of them to give half of the stories and not actually go into depth. If they want to share, everything must be shared to the end. You will be vindicated via the time has arrived, Sisi. Do not be moved. Now, of course, konake guys, the abantu that were of the view that njengoba nje mhlambi kufakwa izinto zaVuyokazi 1.1, obviously khona abantu that felt like, oh, okay, them Selegus want engagement, okay, because according to the people, once again, they feel as though Uvuyokazi has a larger following, and so if they speak about Uvuyokazi, it's going to be a topic, as it is currently, because ilondo esithetha ngayo njengangoku umzumbe umhlophekazi Vuyokazi versus umseleku versus umama kaVuyokazi, right? And so that is one thing abantu abebeyitho. Secondly, kukhona people that were of the view that now that kuvezwe abantwana bakaVuyokazi, we are hoping and praying that uVuyokazi is getting paid. This is something umhlambi omseleku spoke prior with uVuyokazi. It's not like bavele bathatha nje umhlambi i-pictures zomhlophekazi bazifaka bazithi fufu on our TV screens, but because she was once part of them Selekus, it must be something mhlambi eyayi kwi-contract into about whatever happens, be it in the past, be it in the present, be it in the future, into enzakalayo kwamseleku, if my name is being mentioned mhlambi I will get a portion from imali abazoyithini abazobe beyenzile from that particular episode. I understand. So that is what the people were thinking, but obviously uVuyokazi now has come forward to share her side of the story. It does not seem that way. It does not seem as though Vuyokazi was actually written an email to say that we are going to be talking about A, B, C, and D. And so people are saying them Selegus should have shared everything entirely. Bangakhethi mhlawumbe i-segment ezotrenda and then kuve kuphele kanjalo nje. They should have shared the entire truth, you understand? But let me know your thoughts, guys, on this down on the comments and on Mona shortly. Bye, guys.